Welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to learn how to write a fraction as percent. We have definition of terms. Percent comes from the Latin term percentum, which means per hundred. Percent is the ratio that compares a number to a 100. The symbol is called percent sign. Fraction is a number set that names a part of a whole or a set. To write a fraction as percent, write an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100, or think of a number that when you multiply by the denominator will result to 100. Multiply the same number by the numerator, then write as percent. Example number 1. Write each fraction as percent. Letter A, 1/5. So we are going to think of a number that if we multiply the denominator, the product is 100. So the number is 20. So we are going to multiply the denominator by 20. 5 times 20 is equal to 100, and the numerator 1 times 20 is equal to 20. Then 20 over 100 is equal to 25%. So 1/5, it becomes 20 over 100, then change to percent, it is 25%. Letter B, 3/4. So a number to be multiplied by 4 to get the product of 100 is 25. So we are going to multiply 4 times 25 is equal to 100. 3 times 25 is equal to 75. So 3/4, it becomes 75 over 100 is equal to 75%. So 3/4 is a fraction is equal to 75%. Letter C, 1/2. So the number that we are going to multiply by the denominator to get the product of 100 is 50. So 2 times 50 is equal to 100. Then the numerator, 1 times 50 is equal to 50. So 50 over 100 is equal to 50%. Change the following to percent. Letter A, 8 and 7/10. So 8 and 7/10 is a mixed number. We are going to change to improper fraction. To change 8 and 17 to improper fraction, we are going to multiply 10 times 8 plus 7. So it's equal to 87. Then affix the denominator 10. So 8 and 7 10 is equal to 87 over 10. So we are going to think of a number that when we multiply the denominator, the product is 100. So 10 is the number. So 10 times 10 is equal to 100. And 87 times 10 is equal to 870. So the new fraction now is 870 over 100 is equal to 870%. A proportion can also be used to express a fraction to percent. Example number 1, change 5/8 to percent. we have a solution. First is write a proportion wherein the fraction is equivalent to n over 100. So the proportion is 5 is to 8 is equal to n is to 100. Now, we are going to multiply the extremes and we will multiply also the means. So the extremes is 5 times 100 is equal to 500. And the means is 8 times n is equal to 8n. So 8n is the means. So now we are going to divide both sides by 8. So 500 divided by 8 is equal to 8n divided by 8. So 500 divided by 8 is 62.5 or 62 and 5/10. So 8n divided by 8, we are going to cancel 8 and the other 8. So the remaining is n. So the value of n is 62 and 5/10. Thus 5/8 is equal to 62.5 or 62 hundredths over 100 is equivalent to 62.5% or 62 and 5/10%. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.